After dealing with apt command problems myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I will walk you through them now. Many Linux users face the frustrating apt command failed issue, which stops important software from installing or updating. The first approach involves updating and upgrading your system packages. This often fixes problems by bringing all your software up to the newest versions, which resolves many conflicts between older and newer program parts. Next, we look at cleaning your apt cache and fixing dependencies. Over time, downloaded package files can get corrupted or incomplete, causing errors. Clearing this stored data and making sure all required software pieces are correctly linked helps your system find and install what it needs properly. Another common issue is stubborn lock files. When apt is running, it creates special lock files to prevent other processes from changing things at the same time. If apt crashes, these lock files can get stuck, making it seem like apt is still busy. Removing them tells your system apt is free to work again. Finally, checking your software sources and disk space is crucial. If apt tries to download from a broken or wrong internet address, it will fail. Also, if your computer runs out of room, it simply cannot download or install new programs. Addressing these ensures apt has the correct places to get files and enough space to put them. These methods truly help to fix apt command failed and not working error permanently on 2026, ensuring your Linux system runs smoothly.